Good morning, lovelies. Happy Wednesday. Happy Wednesday. Today I did a zhuzhi look utilizing the Morphe 18F Talkin Flirty to Me palette. So hopefully you enjoy this video on how I did this, just like a quick tutorial. I'll obviously do some images and like a close-up so you can see the makeup as well. But don't forget to get in on the August giveaway because we're in a new month now. So the August giveaway is for the eyebrow and lash serum. This is bomb. I love this stuff. I've tried a bunch. This works. And then this is the extra last in black, the eyeliner in black that I typically use. You also get a $25 gift card to bettyjaneboutique.com. So all you have to do is like and share this video, any of the videos in August. Come back to the video you shared and say shared so I know it was you, and I'll enter you into the drawing. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Be kind to yourself, be kind to others, and enjoy.